Okay, so I'm first checking my auxiliary battery. That's the SPC brakes battery. I put the multimeter on the DC 20 volt range, and I'm going to first turn it on. It's zero. I've already connected the negative lead first. Just connecting the positive one, and I see it's at 9.96 volts. That's definitely low for the SPC. This is the auxiliary battery, so probably I will need to change this battery, the auxiliary battery. And I think it may be 2 years old, something like that. I think I bought this battery called Mule or something like that. Something Mule battery, maybe from Amazon. It was not a very expensive battery, but maybe this is the battery that's low, the SPC brakes battery. And yeah, 9.95 is definitely low. It should be 12 volt plus, typically 13 volts, or much higher than 12 volts. So this is probably the battery that needs to be replaced. So I'm going to disconnect the leads now, and just to do a sanity, I'll also check the main battery in the trunk, just to be sure it's not that.